Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT3 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, so all we have to do is to tap on this 3 bars icon in the right upper corner, and here the second bar is connected with the timer, so we've got the off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. Just tap on the option you'd like to use, it will be immediately highlighted. What's more, it is visible inside the shutter button. So let's simply tap on it, and now your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Of course, you can turn this option off the same way, so 3 bars icon and tap on off. And now your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.